So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about international organizations. So let's begin. So the first one is United Nation. United Nation, which is known as UN, is an international organization founded in 1945. It is currently made up of 193 member states. Its activities include maintaining international peace and security, protecting human rights, delivering humanitarian aid, promoting sustainable development, and upholding international law. In 1899, the International Peace Conference was held in The Hague to elaborate instruments for setting crises peacefully, preventing wars, and codifying rules of warfare. Note the statement: the name United Nations was coined by US President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Now let's talk about the organs of United Nations. The first one is General Assembly, second Security Council, third Economic and Social Council, fourth Trusteeship Council, fifth International Court of Justice, and last UN Secretariat. All the six organs were established in 1945 along with UN. So the second one is UNICEF. The United Nations Children Fund, UNICEF, originally known as the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, was created by the United Nations General Assembly in 1946 to provide emergency food and health care to children and mothers in countries that had been devastated by World War II. In 1950, UNICEF mandate was extended to address the long-term need of children and women in developing countries. In 1953, it became a permanent part of the United Nations system, and the world's international and emergency were dropped from the organization name, though it retained the original acronym UNICEF. Note to make: the headquarters of UNICEF are located in New York, USA. Now the third one is UNFPA, full form the United Nations Population Fund, formerly the United Nations Fund for Population Activities, is the United Nations Sexual and Reproductive Health Agency. Its mission is to deliver a world where every pregnancy is wanted, every childbirth is safe, and every young person's potential is fulfilled. Note: the headquarters of UNFPA are located in New York, USA. Now, the next organization is UNDP. United Nations Development Programme was established in 1965 by the General Assembly of the United Nations. It provides expert advice, training, and grant support to developed countries, with increasing emphasis on assistance to the least developed countries. The UNDP Executive Board is made up of representatives from 36 countries around the world who serve on a rotating basis. It is funded entirely by voluntary contribution from member nations. Note: the headquarters of UNDP are located in New York, USA. Next organization is UNEP. It stands for United Nations Environmental Programme. UNEP is a global environmental authority that sets the global environmental agenda, promotes the coherent implementation of the environmental dimension sustainable development within the United Nations system. It was founded by UN General Assembly as a result of the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in June 1972. Note: UNEP and World Meteorological Organization established Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change in 1988 to assess climate change. Now, the headquarters of UNEP are located in New York, Kenya. Next one is UN Habitat. UN Habitat stands for United Nations Human Settlement Programme. It is a United Nations program working towards a better urban future. Its mission is to promote socially and environmentally sustainable human settlement development and the achievement of adequate settle for all. It was established in 1978 as an outcome of the first UN Conference on Human Settlement and Sustainable Urban Development in Vancouver, Canada in 1976. Next one is a WFP, World Food Programme, was established in 1963 by the Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) and the United Nations General Assembly. Note: WFP was awarded Nobel Peace Prize 2020 for its effort to combat hunger and for its contribution to bettering conditions for peace in conflict-affected areas and for preventing the use of hunger being weaponized in war and conflict.